Hi, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about the Chakra Balancing Oils that Attunergy offers at attunergy.com. These are all crystal infused and sound infused as well, so they're super powerful. And I wanted to share with you today the ways that I prefer to use them, the ways that are recommended, and how I incorporate them in my daily life. Let's start with the root chakra. This is infused with red jasper, and the mantra for this is I am. I like to apply this to the base of my spine or on the bottom of my feet before bed. This has cedarwood and Palo Santo. It's earthy, helps me connect and feel grounded. Next, we have the Sacral Oil. This is infused with carnelian, and this has orange, grapefruit, a lot of citrus. It's bright, mandarin, lemon, and I apply this 2 inches below the belly button and massage in. Could also do the lower back as well. The mantra is I feel, and this is for our creativity and sexual healing, sexual trauma, sexual energy as well. Next, we have the solar plexus infused with citrine crystals, and the mantra for this is I act. I apply this about 2 inches above the belly button. Could also do mid-back. This is for your creativity and your digestion, so even good after a meal. This has lemon and rosemary in it. Next, we have the heart chakra. This is one of my favorite oils. This has aventurine crystals inside. The mantra is I love, as you can imagine, and I just love putting this on my chest. I feel like it opens my heart, and I'm able to smell it during my meditation and throughout the day. So if things are getting a little agitated for me, I just put this on and I feel a little bit more at peace. This is truly one of my favorites. Following the heart, we have the throat. The mantra is I speak, and this has peppermint, blue chamomile, a little bit of citrus, mandarin, and lemon. And as you can imagine, apply directly to the throat here. The crystals are sodalite, and you can see that it has this cool, funky blue color, and that comes from the German blue chamomile. And sometimes when I'm having trouble communicating, I like to rub this on my throat, or before conducting a sound healing or guided meditation, I like to, so I have clear communication to my students. Next, we have the third eye. I see is the mantra infused with beautiful amethyst. I apply this directly to the third eye. Helps to open up the pineal gland, helps my meditation, helps my intuition. The mantra is I see. This has sage, lavender, and vetiver. I love it. It's beautiful. And finally, last but not least, we have the crown chakra. This is infused with crystal quartz. The mantra is I understand, and this is loaded with frankincense. I am obsessed with frankincense, and this will take you to the next level. This is your connection to the universe, spirituality, something bigger and greater than all of us. And I apply this honestly everywhere. My wrists, behind my ears, my chest. You could put it on the top of your head, on your crown if you'd like to as well. And it is truly a great experience to work with frankincense. If you've never tried it before, I highly recommend it. All of these oils are available again at attunergy.com. You can buy them individually, or when you purchase a set, you'll earn one for free. Thank you for listening. Namaste.